Yo, what's up guys? Today we're doing experimenting with Bandu. So basically what you gotta do, you gotta get this blue tube and then put it in here. And then you get this yellow one and then you put it in here too. And here's what you get.
No!
Okay, let's try another one.
No!
Wait, it says 2 yellow and 4 purple. Yeah? Yeah?
Yeah?
Oh my god, what's that? Well, that was it. That was an experiment with punk, but let's try another one. Let's try this. Oh! That was cool.
No!
Ben! It's Ben! Oh my god, guys, it is.
Yes.
Well, hey everyone. Welcome to experimenting with Brobgonal. Okay, so today someone said I need. Yeah, I brought my brother along with me. So basically what you need. Wait, hold up, let me get them. So basically what you need is you need these two, mix them together, you know, and then here's what you get.
No!
Nothing.
You get nothing! Yay!
Yay! Now let's try mixing dark blue and yellow. See if that does anything.
No!
Nothing again. And let's try.
Nothing yet!
Try these. Crap!
Yellow and green! Yellow and green! Yellow and green! Yellow.
Okay, hey, let me see that. Let me see that, brother. Thanks.
Take it.
Okay, and I'm trying to take it. There, what'd that do? Oh! Wait, let's try purple and yellow.
Whoa!
Try these. What'd that do? Oh my god! Alright, we're back. Now that's the end of experimenting with Brobgonal. So we will see you all in episode 2. Bye!